Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello learners, welcome back to our lesson. In the previous lesson, I had given you the assignment. Remember, we are still at the interconversion of molecules and moles. And I left you with two questions to attempt, and I hope that you've done the two questions. The questions were, number one, calculate the number of molecules in 2.5 moles of nitrogen. And second, calculate the number of moles in 9.045 times 10 raised to power 3 molecules of 10 raised to power 23 molecules of ammonia. I want us to go through the question so that you know what you are expected to answer or how you are expected to calculate the two questions. I want to start with number one. Calculate the number of molecules in 2.5 moles of nitrogen gas. You see that 1 mole has 6.023 times 10 raised to power 23. Now what about 2.5 moles? This will be 2.5 times 10. 2.5 times 6.023 times 10 raised to power 23 divided by 1. It's just cross multiplication. This will be 2.5 times 6.023. This will be 15.0575 times 10 raised to power 23 molecules. You multiply 2.5 times 6.023 times 10 raised to power 23, you get 15.0575 times 10 raised to power 23, which can also be 1.50575 times 10 raised to power 24 molecules. (1.50575) times 10 raised to power 24 molecules. It is the same thing, only that this one is raised to power 24, that one is raised to power 23. That is how you're supposed to go about question number one.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.